For this class, I'm going to have you upload your lab book pages as a PDF. This is for various reasons. If you'd like to know them, I'll explain them to you in person. So, the instructions right here are how we did it when I taught online. I ran into some problems with my version of Acrobat for some reason. So I'll show you an alternate version that the internet said we should follow. First version, listed for PCs and Macintosh, is actually very easy, and in theory, it's the default. First, you bring up the print prompt, Control P for PCs, Command P for Macs. Now, Macintoshes like hiding things, so you have to hit Show Details for that. For PCs, you just go select Adobe PDF as the printer, save. It's all nice and easy. And actually, if I wanted to make this web page a PDF, I'm going to bring up the print prompt. I'm going to select Save as PDF, and it'll let me save it. I could select pages, so even pages, custom pages, 1357. So that's how you do it. The idea is you are not saving all 207 pages. You are just saving the specific lab book pages. Now, as I was saying, my version of Acrobat is not letting me do it this way for some reason. So I actually have a Word document open, and I'll show you on the Word document. It should be this very similar for both PCs and Macintoshes. So I brought up the print screen. On PCs, you should be able to just select PDF, Image Writer PDF. The Macintosh, the latest update, at least on this computer, it actually has PDF down here. You click Save as PDF. You title it. You select the pages you want. And you then click Save. You don't have to worry about security options. Do not give me a password. So again, I only want specific pages. So page range 2, 3, 7, that's a 6, 8. Then click Save as the PDF, and it goes. So let's click Save as PDF, and title it Lab 1, and it will save it, and then you could upload it that way. Now, as I was saying, my version of Adobe is not behaving. I don't know if it's a Mac update, an Adobe update, but this is what the internet said to do. Go to Tools, and select Organize Pages. Then you select the pages you want. I want that page. Now I don't want this one, but I want that one, so I'm going to do either Control or Command Select. So see, I'm skipping that page. So I'm selecting the pages I want. If you use Shift, you could get a whole bunch of them. Then you click Extract as separate file, or extract, not as separate files. You click Extract, and then I only have the pages I selected. I do File, and I do Save or Save As. I always do Save As because I'm worried I'm going to nuke the original file. And save it how you want it. So that is how you convert the lab book to PDFs. Hopefully one of these works for you. And you could bring your computer to lab and we could troubleshoot it too. I expect problems with this the first week of class. So don't worry if you are having problems. Thank you.